Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching from. Welcome to Ugandan Kitchen in another video. Today we are preparing spiced black tea. I'm a tea lover and I'm so intentional when it comes to tea. So help me grow by subscribing if it is your first time, like the video and leave a comment. These are the spices that we are going to be using in making this tea flavorful and so tasty. We have cloves, we have star anise, we have green cardamom, we have cinnamon stick and bay leaves. Uh, all these spices that I have chosen to use in making this tea have health benefits that are really good for our body, like they aid in digestion, in regulating our blood sugar. You can decide to use any type of cardamom that you would love because we have very different types of cardamoms. There is the green cardamom, there is the white cardamom, and the black one. But in this recipe in particular, I chose to use the green cardamom because it has that sweet taste that I really wanted in this tea. Then I went ahead and pounded up the cardamom pods so as to expose those little black seeds that are inside, which are full of aroma, and it is what I'm aiming at, to have that cardamom flavor in my tea. So the same way we roast these spices before grinding them into powder form, and one of the reasons why we do so is to have that sweet scent all over in our meals, in our stew, in whatever you are going to be using these spices in. So also when you are making a smoothie, this is what we do. You open up the pods and expose those little black seeds and add them in your smoothie. So here we are also adding on the spearmint. Like you can see, it also has a strong smell. It has a nice aroma. It is a type of mint, just like mojito mint, chocolate mint. So also spearmint is another type of mint. There are very many types of mint out there. So if at all you can't get the spearmint, then you can opt for mojito mint, which is commonly like in our places here in the market, in different places. So it is easily found in different places than the spearmint. So whichever kind of mint, like if it is mojito or spear, I would recommend using the other. Really works just fine. So I also try to wrap that up to also release that sweet aroma from it. And here we are done, and also those are cloves. So as well, if you want to add a little bit of ginger in your tea at this rate, you have also prepared it. It is all ready. You have all removed the skin and then you have crushed it up, and it is ready as well to be added in the tea. So like you can see here, once the water, it is not yet ready, but you can either cook it until it starts boiling, or you can add it before it starts boiling, and then you add all the spices like I have mentioned earlier on. We have the cardamom, we have the cloves, star anise, we have bay leaves, cinnamon, and spearmint, or you can substitute spearmint with mojito mint. It works just fine. So make sure that you do not fill up the pan up to the top. Leave room for the tea to boil, and then you can cover up that and cook on medium heat. We are going to cook for like 5 minutes to enable all these spices, all these other ingredients that we have used, the herbs, to all infuse in this tea, such that our tea comes out when it is flavorful and full of those health benefits from all these spices that we have used. So kindly help me grow by subscribing to Ugandan Kitchen, like the video and leave a comment below. If it is your first time on your channel, kindly consider subscribing. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok, on Instagram, and on YouTube. So like you can see there, after like cooking for quite a while, then your tea is ready to be served. Feel free to serve it in whichever way you would love to serve it. I added sugar for sweetness, or you can use honey if it is what you like, and you are good to go. So you have your flavorful spiced black tea with a nice aroma full of health benefits, from the star anise, from the cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaves, and you are good to go. So let me know in the comment section what teas you really love to enjoy, where you're coming from, and what are some of the teas in your country that you really love. So here in Uganda, black tea is our tea. It is the commonly served tea that we usually take in almost every home. But so this time round, I'm giving it to you. I'm showing it to you in a spiced kind of way and how I love having it. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Until next time, thanks for watching.